today? Okay, today I am back to you guys with baking fish recipe. So today this is what I have to show you that I have for this fish I'm about to bake today. I'm going to bake catfish. This is my fish. I'm going to start preparing it and marinate it. Leave it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before I bake it. So I'm going to show you and name all the ingredients I have here that I'm going to use to marinate this fish before I bake it. So in here I have onion powder, I have fish seasoning, I have coriander, grounded coriander, I have here garlic and ginger. Here I have lemon that I'm going to insert inside the fish. Here I have all-purpose seasoning. Here I have crushed pepper. Here I have paprika and grinded pepper. In here I have Maggi chicken flavor and I have boiling chicken flavor. No. Here I have Italian seasoning. I have ground flakes seed. I have oregano and I have parsley leaf. So this is all I have for this baking I'm going to do now. And here is the oil that I'm going to use to mix all these ingredients I have here together then to marinate my fish. So stay tuned. I'm going to cut the fish, give cuts in the middle of the fish both sides for the ingredients to go in, and then insert it in the fridge for it to go inside for 2 hours. I'm going to start by putting all the ingredients together in the oil. As you can see, none of ingredients said salt, so you be careful what you add. None of the ingredients said salt. Reason why is because all these things you added here, so many of them has salt inside it. They made it with salt, so you don't want to add anything that will put too much salt in the fish. So I'm going to start by putting it inside the fish. Yep. The cut I gave the fish is for this to be able to go inside the fish. I have my 2 lemons here and I'm going to insert 3 inside. So this side is done. I'm going to lift it and switch it around. So I switched the body. So now I'm going to start the job with my glove hand. You make sure you touch everywhere. So now I'm going to insert the lemon inside the fish. Insert 1 up there, insert 2 in the second one in the middle, and put the last one at the end. So it's done now. I'm going to wrap it. I'm going to wrap the fish. I'm going to wrap it around and then put it in the fridge. Okay, now I am done wrapping the fish. I marinated and wrapped it up. So it's really long fish. So I'm going to put it in the fridge for this thing to cool down, and you know, everything I put inside it to go inside it, so that before I can be able to bake the fish. So I'm going to leave it in the fridge for 2 good hours, then I'm bake it. Okay, the second fish is in, and the name is rock fish. So I'm going to start with spoon. Then I will flip it with my glove hand. So I'm done. I'm going to add the lemon. 1 and 2. And then I'm going to wrap it up and put it in the fridge. I'm done wrapping it up. I'm going to put it inside the fridge now and then wait for another 2 hours before I start baking this. Okay, it's time now to throw this fish inside the oven to start baking it. I set my oven in 400. So I'm going to put the 2 in the oven now and time it. Stay tuned and let's bake the fish. Okay, I brought the fish out. As you can see, it's roasting. I brought it out to do touch up of the ingredients I mixed together for the baking. So you see, the fish is really baking well. The last time I will bring it out, I will put it back in and leave it open for it to bake some more. And I'm almost done with this fish. Okay, this is the catfish. As you can see, I added the ingredients on this one, and I'm going to wrap it back. That's how you bake this fish. See, all the ingredients is soaked inside. After the 2 hours, I seasoned it. Oh my god, this tastes so good. Oh, the pepper. Oh yes. So I'm going to wrap it back again and throw it back in the oven. And the next 30 minutes, we are done with the fish. Okay, this is the final of the fish. This one here is the catfish. Well roasted, well marinated and roasted. As you can see, I showed you from the beginning. I'm going to get it. Ooh, so juicy. Very nice. Everything entered inside it. Oh, this is so nice. And here is the rock fish. This fish is not everywhere, but it's here. Okay. Oh my god. Very nice. so tasty. The pepper is well inside. Oh my god. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you learn how to marinate and bake your fish. We have so many ways of baking the fish, but this one is one of the best one. I can tell you I love to bake my fish. So try this and leave it on the comment section for me how it turned out to be. Thank you all again. I want to appreciate every one of you for subscribing and coming back. We are now on 2K. Oh my god, 2K. I'm so excited and I'm so happy. I appreciate every one of you. God bless you all, and remember, continue to share the video. Share the video so that more of your friends will keep coming to learn from the Diamond Kitchen. Thank you, and remember, blessed.